So the Body Fit method really helped me to understand abusive relationships more. Being in a statistic of abuse from childhood, I found myself in abusive relationships throughout my 20s and early 30s. And adopting Sierra's method really helped me to recognize the red flags sooner and leave those relationships. So it definitely helped me to find that inner strength and follow my truth and have that confidence within myself. Hi, my name is Miranda Pantano. I'm an artist and I'm also an associate director for international grants at Boston College. Over the last 8 years of my life, having doing Sierra's work, I adopted a lot of the tools that she taught us through her method, and I really used that in my life to develop my art career, develop my other professional career, and to just move forward and take the risks that I believed in that I wasn't really sure of throughout the last few years, So it helped me to gain a lot of confidence in myself and harness my power and create that inner balance within myself so that I can move forward and be successful. And I believe myself to be successful today thanks to working with Sierra. And today, 8 years after working with Sierra, I'm able to live my life more peacefully and healthier and actually uplift other people through my art in my own personal life. So it's been really nice.